This was the first scramble of my 107 average, and on the scramble I noticed on this white face this 4 mover, and then you can even cancel into this EG1 with no AUF. So that is a really easy solution. So when I saw that solution in the beginning, I was just like, yeah, let's just go for this solution. Let's not check any other solutions than that. So yeah, and that's what I did. So full solution would be from here to do U prime or prime U2 or 2F or U prime or prime F or F prime. Okay, so this was my second solve of the 107 average, and on this solve I got a 0.86, my best time. The first thing I noticed was on red, you could do one move into this really good TCL with the UAUF, and I could probably like 1.2 that solution quite easily. But what I noticed on white is that you could cancel 4 moves into this LS3, and how you would do that is you would just hold it from here, do or U prime or prime F prime, and then insert this corner or U prime or prime UAUF. And that was by far the best solution that I could find. And yeah, my execution was quite good, so I managed to get a 0.86, which once again was the best time of the average. Alright, so this was my third solve of the 107 average, and on this solve I got a 113, which was actually my worst solve out of the first 3 solves, even though the scramble looks like really good. Like there is this 2 move layer on yellow, which actually was the solution I ended up going for. There is this 4 move EG1, and on blue you could also do 4 moves into the CLO, which is oh shit, that would have been quite good as well. But what I went for here is once again on yellow you could cancel into this CLL by doing U2 or U2 R prime, U prime F2 or U R prime, and then U like this. So I actually inspected like quite a lot on the scramble because I thought that I could find something really good. But as the time flew by, I noticed that I couldn't find anything better than this solution. So I just went for that solution, and my execution was actually really good, and I got a 113. This was the 4th scramble of the 107 average, and the time I got was 171, which was the worst time of this average, because like just look at this scramble. There's like actually nothing good at this scramble. Like the white is a no bar, the blue is a free mover, but it's an EG2, so it's still quite bad. But the only like sort of good solution that I still managed to get an okay time on, 171, is on red. You can do U prime or prime and then insert this corner like this. Then you would get this EG1 with a UEUF. So the solution was quite bad, but my execution was quite good, and it was still the worst time of the average, which I was not surprised by. So yeah. Yes. Yes. this was the last solve of the 107 average, and on this solve I got a 0.97, which was a counting sub 1. Anyways, on the scramble, there's like only one noticeably good solution, and that is on green, to from this angle do R prime into this TCL with a U to AOF. It goes like this, and then the U to AOF like that. So the solution is surprisingly weird to execute. So that's why it was so close to becoming a +2. But at the end of the day, it didn't, and the solve ended up counting, and that led to me counting this 0.97 together with, what was the time, a 113 and a 111, which led me to getting a 107. And this is probably the fastest sub 2 Fridays average that I've gotten so far on camera. I also have a 0.98 average on camera, but that was just really quick. That was just a really quick short over that. But yeah, second fastest average on cam, which I can really not complain over about.